So my question is called how to create Facebook page message bot option. So that is called here anybody coming to new user coming to your Facebook page. So they will chat with you or they are know about your course information. How do people recognize about your every information? We have totally three options. Now we can see the option. First go to your page settings. In this page setting option call is messaging. The messaging format will be totally three format. First option, send instant replies to anyone who message your page. Suppose somebody for getting message, hi, automatically will give the reply message. We assist you with a short time. We assist you with a short time. Next one, stay response when you can't connect your computer or PC. So you're not using for Facebook app by computer or by mobile. So they get the one reply. We assist you shortly. I'm not available by online. Next one. So message greeting. Any user coming to first time, they're getting for one greeting. That is called welcome to so and so person name. Thank you for contact us. For more details, WhatsApp and share my details. Everything will be only one option, on and off. Just change your content. Here add your content will be like this. Send us any questions. If may have, please share your details or call for the details. Or else here add your first name. Means you will information will be reached by your characters. In this call, thus here we writing for first name, mobile number, email address, or more details, call or WhatsApp. I can give my number. Click for save. So automatically will receive by this message. Next one. Here will be. So change. We're not here right now. We'll get back soon. For more details, call or WhatsApp particular number. Means we'll give one message and we'll give the my information also. Next one. Here will be stay reply for instantly. So yeah, thank you for messaging us. We try to response as soon as possible. We'll get back to you soon. Please send your contact details or more details. Call or WhatsApp this number. So how to the people receive my message? Simple. Just you can open my profile, another profile, open my Facebook page. I'm clicking for send message option. When click for send message, we'll receive one message here. We'll receive one message here. So after clicking for any message, we'll give the this one. Thank you for messaging. We try to be as a response as soon as possible. Please send your contact details or more details call or WhatsApp so and so number. This is a totally three response. Online, offline. If any was sending your message, auto reply for the three messages. We'll give the total will be on your Facebook page, that is called message bot option. Please write down the three option. Show message greeting when offline, message when instant reply message. We have the three messages.